Welcome inside a factory where thousands of footballs are produced every day. Every football begins with strong synthetic materials designed for durability. The panels of a football are carefully cut into hexagon and pentagon shapes. Advanced cutting machines produce perfectly shaped panels. Logos and designs are printed onto the panels before assembly. Skilled workers apply designs to the panels to begin forming the ball's outer shell. Piece by piece, the ball begins to take shape. A rubber bladder is inserted inside to hold air. The final panels are stitched carefully to seal the ball. Each ball is inflated to achieve its round shape. Workers inspect the shape to ensure perfect balance. Heat and pressure help strengthen the materials. This step bonds the layers for peak performance. Extra threads are trimmed for a clean finish. Quality inspectors carefully check every ball. Each ball is tested for bounce and performance. Consistent bounce height. Surface is good. Attaching gauge now. Ready for the reading. Standing by to record. Pressure is 13.0 psi. Optimal. Confirmed. Logging it. Good. Disengaging. The completed footballs move toward the packaging area. Each ball is cleaned before being packed. The footballs are packed into their official boxes. Thousands of balls are stored before shipping. Logistics teams prepare them for global delivery. The balls are loaded onto trucks for shipment. From here, the footballs travel to stores around the world. And that is how a football is made and delivered to players everywhere.